Hello everyone, my name is Sai Avinash, civil engineering student from Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management, Hyderabad. Today I am going to explain seismic analysis as a part of project assignment for Skyfi Labs online course. Generally, we can do this analysis in three methods, whereas one applying by seismic load, and when the time history is not available we use response spectrum analysis, and when the time history is available we use time history analysis. In these three ways we can find the seismic analysis. Let's see in the tall building. As we know, this is the tall building which we have designed earlier. In the previous video I have told you how we define different types of loads and how we assign the live loads and dead loads on different stories. Let's see how to apply the seismic analysis in this video. And coming to first seismic load, go to the define and the load patterns, add a new load of name seismic, load type as also seismic, and the value as 0 from IS 1893-2016. Add this new load, and after adding this load modify this load based on the given parameters. Here we apply the load only on X and Y directions and keep the story range as same, and we know the different values. When we consider particular area we get the seismic zone factor as 0.1 in case of Bangalore, and when coming to site type this is 2 in which is moderate soil, and importance factor as 1 for buildings. Click on OK. Now we have to define the load combinations in which we can see this 14 decon series. If you don't have these combinations you just add it and then go to analysis. You have to set load cases to run. When coming to these, the wind load we do not run, so make the wind load as do not run and the remaining as the run, and now the run now. It takes some time. Now you can see the analysis is done, in which you can see the displacement dead on the right side. By moving the mouse onto that you can see the different values, and by clicking right click you can see the point displacement and drift values in both X, Y and Z directions. Now go to the design, concrete frame. Here it is defined as IS456. Click on OK. Now go to design and start design by check. If it asks to reiterate, click on X and you complete the start by design. Now go to design and verify all members pass. Here you get a notification all concrete frames pass the design check. Click on OK. This is how we apply seismic load directly. Let's see how to apply response spectrum method. First you have to unlock this to bring back the run analysis, and you have to add seismic load if not added, as we already added. go to define and load patterns, go to seismic, modify, and the values are same as before, and click on OK and OK. Then next go to define option, and we can go to functions where we can see the response spectrum. Click on it and you type IS 1893-2002, add new function. In this we have to mention the different properties, like now add these values, Z as 0.1, soil type 2 as before. Click on OK. Now go to define load cases, where we will be adding a new load, add new case. Here we give the case name response spectrum and the type as response spectrum. We add two types of load types, acceleration, and we give the scale factor based on the formula I into G by 2R, which we have calculated before. We get the value as 1663.5. We add it here. Now click on OK and go to analyze, set load cases to run. Now we have to off these both dead and live loads. Don't run dead and live loads in this case, and click on run now. If we run the analysis, we will get the displacements here, and we can see on different positions. Now go to design option, go to concrete frame design. Already we have given IS456. Click on OK. Now start check by design. After you design, go to whether all members are paused or not. You can see all concrete frames pass the design check. Now let's go to the next type of analysis, which is time history analysis. For this we have to unlock first to delete the run analysis. After you unlock, as we done similarly, go to define and load patterns. Already we have seismic. Once check whether the values are correct. Here we only give X direction and click on OK. Now go to define and functions, time history. We add a file from our device, add new function, give the name as time history, and browse, select the file. Now we have to give the headlines to skip 9 by viewing the file, and 0, 1, and click on OK. Click on OK. Now go to define and now go to the load cases, and you delete the response spectrum and add a new time history and give the values as only in X direction, give only U1 value and click on OK. In setting load cases to run, we only run the remaining except dead and live loads. Click on run now. As we done before, you can check for the design and you can get to know whether it is suitable or not. Thank you.